Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off data saving mode on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now, to turn off data saving mode on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon where it says you at the bottom right corner. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen, and on this interface you can see the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings or the gear icon, and over here you'll be required to scroll down a little bit, and you can see the data saving option. Now, in order to turn off data saving, tap on the data saving option, and you can see at the top of the screen it says the data saving mode. Now, in order to turn it off, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of it, and the data saving mode on your phone will be turned off. With that being said, guys, this is how to turn off data saving mode on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.